Welcome. In this video, we're going to explain how you can make a travel insurance claim step by step using the ECTA traveling service. Whether it's a trip delay, medical emergency, or lost luggage, travel insurance is essential to get reimbursed for unexpected events. The process may seem confusing, but we'll break it down so you can feel confident when filing your claim. First, make sure you got your travel insurance policy handy. You'll need the policy number and details of your trip. If you're not yet insured, check the link in the description to quickly get your travel insurance with ECTA Traveling. Now, let's move to the first step, gathering the required documents. Depending on your claim, you may need receipts, a doctor's report, or a police report in case of theft. Be sure to collect all the evidence related to the event you're claiming for. Next, go to the ECTA Traveling website where you purchased your policy. Look for the File a Claim section. Once there, you'll see a form asking for your policy number and details about the incident. Be specific when describing what happened and attach the necessary documentation. It's crucial to provide accurate and detailed information so the insurer can process your claim without delays. Once you've submitted the form, the insurance company will review your claim. You can track the status directly on the ECTA Traveling platform. The review process can take a few days, so be patient, but don't hesitate to follow up if needed. If your claim is approved, you'll receive a refund directly to your account. Make sure to follow the link in the description if you need insurance and haven't gotten one yet. It's a fast and reliable way to protect your trips with ECTA Traveling. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and follow for more tips on safe and hassle-free travel.